Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today we are testing out and unboxing this month's Boxycharm. I'm so sorry that I missed last month's box. I got it in time and then I just completely forgot to film about it. But today I have my box. I have it opened. You guys know that I love testing all the products with you guys. I am super excited about this box because we have so many amazing goodies, so many just really cool products that I feel we haven't really seen in Boxycharm as far as like the other products. We've seen a few things here and there. But yeah, I am super excited to test these out for you guys. So if you want to see a makeup tutorial slash a testing out this month's Boxycharm, then don't click out, subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up one of these little baggage claim gold eye mask, and I need it because I did not sleep good last night as always. So I'm just going to pull my hair back a little bit and we're going to try this. This is by the brand Wonder Beauty. Let's see how much these retail for. So these are after a night of partying. Who doesn't love a good eye mask? I know that I do. These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So these retail for $13, and I'm guessing they retail for $13 a piece. It doesn't really specify if they come in a pack of 3, but that's what we got. So what we're actually going to do is I'm just going to leave these little masks underneath the eyes, and then meanwhile I'm going to do my eyebrows. I am taking the Bang Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. Now on the packaging or the little info card, it says that it is a gel eyeliner, but you can use it as a pomade for your brows, or you can use it as an eyeshadow base. Because this was in our box, I want to try and use it in different ways. So I am going to try and fill in my brows with this. Ooh, I don't think this is going to work out for me actually. It's really light. I know it doesn't look as light, but now that I am looking at it, I don't think this is going to work out for me for my brows because my brows are pretty dark. But let's give it a shot, shall we? Okay. Yeah, no, I'm not going to be able to use this. Okay, we are taking these off. Ooh. Yes. So I'm just going to pat that into the eyes because it does say to pat in the excess serum. We are going to go in with the Laura Lee Party Animal Palette, which again, I think this is definitely the most exciting part of this entire box. This retails for $19. This is Dare to Be the Life of the Party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. Now you guys know that I am a huge lover of bright, colorful eyeshadow palettes, and I'm definitely going to try and use as many of these as I possibly and humanly can. So let's get started. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is this orange. I'm going to use this as a transitional shade all over my crease, and I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441. I'm not going to be too detailed with this tutorial because it's more of a try-on, testing out these products to see if they actually are good. So there we have the orange. This is definitely super pigmented, very creamy, blends easily. I'm not having any, pretty much no fallout with this eyeshadow, and I love that you can go back and forth a few times. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with Karaoke, which is a deeper blue, this one right here. And we're also going to apply that into the crease. Woo! Wow. Now this one definitely has a little bit more fallout, but I mean the pigment is undeniable. So I'm having a little bit of a hard time blending it right here. It's almost going a little bit patchy. Do you guys see that? Right there, but not to worry. We're going to pack on the color and then go back and blend a little bit more to make sure that we are packing on the color and then blending. That's not really working out. Do you guys see how it is leaving that one little mark? It's just not wanting to adhere. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm going to keep working on it and hopefully it works. So I'm really trying to make this blue eyeshadow work, you guys, and as you can see, it's so hard to blend. I don't know what it is, and I mean, I work with color a lot, and this eyeshadow is just not working out. I am super disappointed because I really wanted this palette to work for me, but so far it's just, I'm not like obsessed with it, and I really thought it was going to be. The orange is really pretty. I've had to go back multiple times to reinforce the color because once you blend out, you lose so much pigments, but that's okay. We're just gonna roll with the punches, okay? We're gonna go back and cut the crease, and we're gonna figure out a way to incorporate the rest of the colors. So there we have our cut crease, and now what I'm going to do is I am going to go back into this, or actually I'm gonna pick up this color, which it's called Isa Party, and we're applying that to pretty much like half of the crease, and then with the other half we're going to go in with a different color. I'm just going to leave it as is, and then I think I'm going to go in with this one right here and apply it to the rest of the eye. This one is called Damage Control. Ooh, that looks really pigmented. Let's hope it is. Wow, that is full of pigment. I'm going to try and use a different brush to see if maybe that solves the problem. Again, going back into Karaoke, which is that deep blue. Such a gorgeous color though. Look at that. And blending it in. So I'm just going to keep working on this eye, and then we can come back and try out these lashes that we got in our Boxycharm. So stay tuned. So this is as much blending as I can do, and it looks pretty okay, but that blue right here is just really hard to blend, and I don't know, I have to keep playing with this palette. I don't want to be negative and give it a bad review, but I'm just not like obsessed with it. I have other colorful palettes that I feel like I much rather reach for. But with that said, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply a little bit of Hungover, which is this one right here, to the lower lash line. I'm really going to take a little bit of that pink and just run it through the lower lash line as well. So again, I'm experiencing the same issues where the colors just don't blend together. I don't know what it is, and they look really pretty on camera, no lie. They are very pigmented and very vibrant, but all these colors are just not wanting to blend. There's some patchy areas on my lower lash line that just don't want to blend whatsoever. Okay, before I get annoyed, we're gonna move on to the eyelashes. These are the House of Lashes Smoky Muse lashes. These are 100% human hair, I think. Yep, 100% human hair, and these retail for $9 to $12. I think if you get them in a pack, you can pay $12. Not sure how that works, but we're just going to pop these babies on. So let's finish off this look. So for lipstick, everybody received some sort of Smashbox products. This is the Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in the shade Headliner, which is a really pretty orange. Now obviously I'm not gonna wear this color because it is like super vibrant. It is a really pretty color. It's super bright, but I'm gonna look like a walking unicorn or rainbow if I wear that. So I'm not gonna wear that lipstick, but that's what it looks. I want to know what lipstick you guys got, and that lipstick retails for $21, I believe. We also received this organic infused age define nail treatment essential, which is like an oil for your cuticles. This is the box, and then this is the actual oil. I don't know how much I'm going to use this. I'm really bad at using stuff like this, but this one is let's see, this one retails for $18. So I added everything up, and the month for this box, if I am correct, is about 102, a little bit higher because there are some products that vary in price. So I just took the first price and added everything up, which again, Boxycharm, I don't know how y'all do it, but they always do that. They always give us way more than what the box is worth. So yeah, I think that is everything, you guys. If you do recreate this look, or if you recreate any looks using the Laura Lee palette, let me know what you think about it, because obviously everybody has different opinions. My personal opinion, I'm not in love with the palette. I'm going to play with it a little bit more to see if maybe I did anything that messed up the colors. I don't know, but those are just my 2 cents. Thank you guys for joining me in today's Boxycharm unboxing, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.